Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Tahiti Vacation Home. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, spa, water park and a fitness center. In the North Myrtle Beach district of Myrtle Beach, close to Cherry Grove Beach, Tahiti Vacation Home features free Wi-Fi and a washing machine. Guests benefit from a patio and a playground. The air-conditioned vacation home is composed of 6 separate bedrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher and a microwave, and 4 bathrooms. Towels and bed linen are provided in this accommodation. Alabama Theater is 7.4 miles from the vacation home, while Barefoot Resort Norman Golf Course is 8 miles away. The nearest airport is Grand Strand Airport, 7.5 miles from Tahiti Vacation Home. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.